In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI to generate content efficiently and effectively. Whether you're crafting a blog, scripting for YouTube, or coming up with the perfect social media caption, this tool is designed to make the process smooth and creative. So, let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Perplexity AI. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you've used this platform before, it should be straightforward. If not, just follow the instructions provided to create an account. Logging in ensures you have access to all the features and can save your work as you go. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your content goal. This could be a blog post, a YouTube script, a social media caption, or any other content format you have in mind. Selecting a specific goal will help tailor the AI's output to suit your needs. By providing a clear context for what you're working on, you'll get more relevant and targeted content. Now, it's time to dive into the creative process. In the search box, you'll want to type a clear and specific prompt. For instance, if you're working on a blog, you might type something like, "Write a 600-word blog post about eco-travel." Being precise with your prompt is essential because it guides the AI to generate content that meets your expectations. Take a moment to think about any particular elements you'd like included. After entering your prompt, press Enter. The AI will start processing your request, and in just a few moments, you'll receive a detailed response. It's like having a brainstorming session with a very efficient assistant. Reviewing what the AI has come up with is key. At this stage, be sure to check any citations provided if you need to confirm sources or gather additional information. Properly sourced content not only enhances credibility, but is also vital for more formal publications. Once you're satisfied with what you've read, go ahead and copy the text. You can paste it into your preferred editor. This might be Google Docs, Notion, or Word, whichever you're most comfortable using. Personalization is the name of the game here. Tailor the content to better fit your unique voice or the specific nuances you want to bring out in your piece. Don't hesitate to use follow-up prompts to refine the content further. For instance, you can ask the AI to add a headline, shorten the text to 150 words, or make the tone more casual. This iterative process helps craft something truly polished and aligned with your vision. Finally, save your completed work either in spaces on Perplexity.ai or a folder on your device for easy access and publication later on. This ensures your hard work is organized and ready for when you need it next. And there you have it. An intuitive process to harness the power of AI for content creation. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next video.